All right guys, so if you have super dry skin or just have a product in there that's sort of irritating your skin, or let's just say you did a procedure that sort of compromised your skin barrier, like a laser treatment or even a heavy-duty microneedling treatment, I really want to introduce you guys to Barrier Renewal Complex. So this is a product that is a more heavy-duty moisturizer, and it is great to use twice a day if you have that like super dry skin, but I like to use it just at night. Very, very cost effective as well. Great for the patient that really needs their hydration put back into their skin, their barrier replenished, especially after a laser treatment that has sort of compromised that barrier. You do want to wait until your skin is sort of reepithelialized if you did a totally heavy duty laser treatment or resurfacing treatment. But again, it's going to really decrease inflammation, increase hydration, and improve that barrier function when you're compromised because either you've done a treatment or because you're using some retinols and you're getting red and irritated from that. Again, super cost effective to just add into your treatment protocol. I prefer to use it at night, but definitely can be used both morning and night for that super dry skin patient. That's Barrier Renewal Complex from EltaMD.